In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a heart with no magic ring. And this is a quick tutorial you can make in a few minutes. Make a bunch of them and decorate your room, decorate your bags, your clothes, basically anything. You can turn it into jewelry. This tiny heart will look beautiful as a necklace or as an earring, for example. So yeah, it's a pretty quick make, and I'll show you today how to do it. These are the abbreviations I used. The written pattern is in the description. And of course, I had to make it in every yarn weight I own. So I made one in double knit yarn, and it's this size. And then you get the Aran one. This is made with chunky, and the jumbo one, a bigger one, is made with super bulky. Now you can use different yarns with this pattern. It scales pretty well. I'm using pink instead of red so you can see every stitch I'm making, and I'm gonna go really slow every single stitch so you can follow along. So we're gonna start with a slip knot. Hold it with your two fingers, hold the yarn, leave a little bit of a tail. We're gonna weave this in, and then wrap the yarn around your two fingers and cross it over. And now we're gonna make a slip knot. Angle your hook downwards, insert it under the first and then over the second yarn, and just pull. Now remove your fingers and just tighten the knot. And this is how you make a slip knot. Next, we're gonna chain 4. Hold your work with your two thumbs, hold it to the base so you can have some control over it, and then yarn over, hook it, put your hook downwards and pull through. And this is your first chain. We're gonna get 3 more. 1 and 2 and 3. And now we've made chain 4, and now we're gonna start to make 1/2 of the heart. So turn your chain backwards, and we are going to crochet into these bumps at the back, and we're gonna do it in a third bump, in a third chain from the hook. So count your chain. This is your first one, second one, third one. So into the back bump of that, we're gonna make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into that bump, and then yarn over and pull a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. And always hold your work with your thumb and middle finger for control. This will help controlling your tension. So now we're gonna make the double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you're gonna have 2 left. Yarn over and pull through 2 again, and you've made your double crochet. And next we're gonna make 2 more. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And again 1 more, yarn over, insert the hook into that bump, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And we have made 3 double crochet. Now we're gonna crochet into the back bump of the next chain, and in there we're gonna make first a half double crochet. So yarn over and insert your hook into that back bump, and then yarn over and pull up a loop, and to make a half double crochet, yarn over and pull through all, and that's your half double crochet. Now into the same bump we're gonna make a single crochet, and for that we're gonna insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all loops, and that's our single crochet. Now we're gonna make the tip of the heart. We have made half of it. We're gonna create a tip, so we're gonna chain 1, and then we're gonna slip stitch into these 2 loops. So insert the hook into the middle of that chain, not the loop but the chain, the stitch below, and then pick up the other loop as well and pull through a loop, and that loop we also pulling through the loop we had on our hook. And next we are going to rotate our work upside down, and we're gonna crochet on the other side of the chain. And what we're gonna do is mirror the stitches. So whatever stitch we made into this side of the chain, we're not gonna create the same on this side of the chain. So just pull your stitches apart and see where your other half is. In this case is this loop. So we're gonna make a single crochet first. So yarn over, pull up a loop and make a single crochet, and into the same one we're gonna make the half double crochet. So yarn over and insert your hook into the same space, pull up a loop and pull through all, and that's our half double crochet. Now we need to go into the next chain on the other side and create these 3 half double crochet. And if you pull the stitches apart, you don't want to insert your hook into that gap right there. That is the back bump, and you already crocheted into that. If you crochet into that, you're going to have a big gap into the middle of your heart. So what you need to do is turn slightly your work, and you're going to see the other 2 loops of the chain, and pick up the one that is away from you, and that's where you're going to make your double crochet. So yarn over, pick up that loop, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, then make your double crochet, and we're gonna make 2 more double crochet. That's the second one and the third one. And now we need to close this heart. We're gonna chain 2, and into the same bump we're gonna slip stitch, and our heart is complete. Let's cut the yarn and pull through, and here you go. Now if you're not sure how to do it, I'll show you how to weave in ends. You need a needle with an eye big enough to fit the yarn, and you will have to weave in the end at the back of your work. Always do it at the back. This is the pretty side. At the front, and switch it back, and then just weave in a few stitches back and forth, not through the same stitches, like so, and then down one more, and we're done with this one. And then just cut the yarn. Let's do the same with the other one. Bunch up the stitches. Make sure you're not pulling too hard, so you don't. Let's make loose moves. Okay, so our heart is complete, and this is how you crochet a heart without a magic ring. I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, put them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!